did you know that your oral health could be linked to your overall wellness? Are your gums still bleeding? Your breath still bad? Your teeth still yellow? You've tried mouthwash, whitening strips, and expensive toothpaste, but nothing works. Why? Because the real problem isn't on the surface, it's inside your mouth. Meet ProDentim, a supplement that claims to restore your oral health from within. But does it really work, or is it just another overhyped scam? Let's find out. Now, you might be wondering, what makes ProDentim different from everything else you've tried? Unlike toothpaste and mouthwash that just mask the problem, ProDentim works from the inside, using good bacteria to fight bad bacteria and restore your oral microbiome. The idea sounds great, but is there real science behind it? Here's where things get really interesting. ProDentim contains 3.5 billion probiotic strains, including Lactobacillus Paracasei, reduces inflammation and supports gum health. Lactis BL-04, balances oral bacteria and boosts immune function. Lactobacillus Reuteri, soothes gums, reduces sensitivity, and freshens breath. Sounds promising, right? But let's talk results. Did it actually work for me? I'll be completely honest, I didn't expect much. But after a few weeks, here's what I noticed. My breath stayed fresh all day. No more awkward moments. My gums felt less sensitive. Brushing was finally pain-free. My teeth looked brighter even without whitening strips. I was shocked. But of course, no product is perfect, so let's break down the pros and cons. Let's start with the good news. All natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals. Supports gut and immune health, not just for your teeth. Easy to use, just one dissolvable tablet a day. Now, for the downsides, not an instant fix. You need to be consistent for at least a few weeks. Only available online. Beware of fake versions or getting it from places like Amazon or eBay. The official website is the only place that has the money-back guarantee and the best way to know you have the authentic product. So, after testing it myself, is ProDentim worth it? Honestly, yes! This isn't just marketing hype. The science checks out, and my results speak for themselves. But what makes it risk-free is the money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it with zero risk. Are you ready for fresher breath, healthier gums, and a brighter smile? Click the link in the description and grab your bottle of ProDentim today.